This adventure on Planet Yaz takes us on a hiking expedition in Tantalus Provincial Park near Squamish, British Columbia, Canada. Our goal? To complete the Sigurd Creek Trail, an alpine hike that meanders through an emerald rainforest with cascading waterfalls and inspiring vistas. It sounds magical, but in the mountains, anything can happen.
Oh, son of a...
I'm Yasmin, and I invite you to join Dave and I as we explore our local mountains, something we find ourselves enjoying more frequently as travel opportunities are suspended. We've done some research on what to expect in the backcountry, packed essentials, some of which we'll share later in the video, swapped our business casual attire for adventure smart. Next stop, the Squamish Valley.
Let's go.
The Sigurd Creek Trailhead is a 30-minute drive north of Squamish. Despite being so close to town, we'll be on the Ashley Forest Service Road where there is no cell phone service. It is a bit of a soggy day today. We definitely live in a rainforest, but if we waited for perfect weather, we would miss out on so many opportunities, and life's too short. For some reason, I always have to think about food when I'm hiking. Literally, as soon as I'm far enough away from the car, everything I see looks like food. This is not a flip-flop hike. It is a workout, and I highly recommend good grippy hiking shoes. I feel like a mountain goat, but in much worse shape. This is gorgeous. Unfortunately, can't see that much today. I'm opening up all my zippers because I am hot. Oh my goodness. This forest is gorgeous. Spectacular, actually. I'm a sucker for big trees. Oh, measuring tape. Let's measure this tree. Thanks, love. Circumference of 16 feet. Break time. I need to slow down my heartbeat and have some water. And I figure it's a great opportunity for me to show you what's in my bag. So even though this is a day hike for us, we still bring supplies like food and clothing to stay overnight. But we've got some other little things that you might be interested in. One of the best purchases we ever made, a platypus. This is a water filtration system that works with gravity, and anywhere where there's water or snow, you can purify some water for yourself. Light, headlamp, flashlight. Always carry this because you never know if you're going to get stuck in the dark. And to manage the invasive species I call the toilet paper weed, we have a bag and a shovel. You can either carry on with your business, bury your business, or a little bit of both. I just took off another layer because it's not good to sweat when you're in the high alpine and it's cold. So it's close to zero, but I am sweating like crazy. So I'm down to 2 layers now. There's Dave, the bottom of a gigantic tree. So if you see a whole bunch of trees and boulders that have just kind of gone down a chute, chances are It's an avalanche chute. It's starting to get colder and more snowy. Colder means slippery. So I don't know, we're gonna go a little further now and might have to turn back. It's literally an old growth forest, one gigantic tree after the other. Dave and I have decided to turn around 3 hours into the hike. Even though we're probably only about 100 meters away from the knoll viewpoint, it is getting icy and we're starting to feel a little unsafe. The risk is not worth the reward. So we're gonna turn around and figure out another way to reward ourselves today. Oh my gosh. Look at the forest.
Oh, son of a...
Brunch? Yes, I still have food on my mind. We just did a 9-kilometer grind of a hike and I am hungry. Plus we deserve a treat. Good news, the car is still in one piece, albeit a little bit bruised. And now we are celebrating our incredible day down by the riverside, eating delicious food. Hope you had a great time on Planet S today, and we will see you again sometime soon. Bye. Oh shoot, the coffee's spilling all over my paperwork.
So you haven't been watching my coffee?
I'm sorry, I'm not looking after your coffee.
Oh.
Hazards of a budget recording studio. I'm not gonna lie, it feels a little weird talking to a camera in public.